Running a service business through platforms like High Level or Jobber typically requires hundreds of manual workflows. It is a complex web of triggers that can now be replaced with a single connection to Claude AI. Most operators spend their time stuck in the technical weeds, clicking through menus to build text and email sequences that take hours to configure and test. The Claude AI Rebuild is a custom system that bridges your existing CRM with Claude, allowing you to manage your entire business using voice commands instead of manual builds. Because you can speak 4 to 5 times faster than you can type, this setup changes the speed at which you can interact with your own data. We're going to walk through how 3 standard business pillars, first, automated daily reporting, second, outbound marketing campaigns, and third, social media deployment, function when you stop typing and start talking. We'll start with the daily report. Instead of digging through dashboards, you simply open the Claude interface and say, "Give me yesterday's report." Claude immediately scans your CRM to identify who owes you money and exactly how many quotes your team sent out the previous day. It then pulls your upcoming revenue, showing how much money is scheduled for today and how many completed jobs are still waiting for payment. Finally, it summarizes your inbox, highlighting unopened messages and any calls that were missed during the last shift. Retrieving these specific metrics manually usually takes about 30 minutes of filtering lists and cross-referencing different screens. When you can fetch this data instantly by voice, you can address unpaid jobs and missed leads the moment they happen, rather than finding them days later. For the second task, we'll launch an outbound marketing campaign without opening a workflow builder. You give Claude a specific instruction: target last month's unbooked quotes with a 10% discount if they book today. As shown in this diagram, Claude processes the command, builds the logic for the campaign, and queues the messages to send directly through your high-level account. This removes the need for third-party tools like Zapier or complex internal triggers. A common mistake is trying to jump back into the software to manually tweak these sequences if a campaign isn't performing perfectly. Instead, just tell Claude to adjust the text, add follow-up reminders, or pause messages for specific customers on the list. Marketing becomes a simple conversation, allowing anyone on your team to run campaigns without needing a technical background. Step 3 moves into the field. After finishing a job, like an HVAC install, you take a photo of the completed work. You upload that photo and tell Claude to post it to social media with an update about the specific area you're serving today. Claude writes the caption and pushes the post to your Facebook and Instagram accounts immediately. This eliminates the friction of switching apps, writing copy, and navigating social interfaces while you're on a job site. Field marketing is now a byproduct of finishing your work, rather than a task you have to remember to do when you get home. Because you can issue commands 4 to 5 times faster than you can type, automating these daily reports and marketing tasks allows many users to reclaim 2 to 3 hours of their workday. Direct. It is important to note that this level of voice control is not a standard feature in High Level. It requires the My Service Robot rebuild. We provide this full system integration for a one-time setup fee of $997. Our team will clean up your account, remove your outdated workflows, and connect High Level, Housecall Pro, or Jobber into this centralized AI hub. Click the link or send us a message to start the rebuild process. We'll handle the technical work so you can start managing your business by voice.